Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. I have a brand new book to share with you today that everybody in children's just loves. This book is Night Lunch. It's written by Eric Van and it's published by Tundra Books, and we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So let's find out what this book is all about. You ready to get started? All right, check out these end papers. Isn't that amazing? Night Lunch. Clip clop, a midnight moon, the night lunch cart rolls in. Sweep, sweep, dust and leaf, windows all aglow. You see the mouse sweeping? You see that? Drip, drop, coffee's hot, noses sniff the air. Shuffle, yawn, bellies growl, the night lunch bell is ringing. Tick, hum, ovens on, pots and spoons are clanging. Hoot, hoot, mince pie for fox. Badger wants a sandwich. Did either of those sound good to you? Crack, crack, a dozen eggs sizzling in the pan. One, two, just like that, sausages and peppers. One, two, just like that, butter rolls and biscuits. Rustle wrap all to go, puddings for little possums. Sweep, sweep, only crumbs to eat. No pennies in the gutter. See the little mouse? Tick tock, time to stop. The sky outside is brightening. Here, here, what have we here? Little mouse is trembling. What do you think is going to happen? Do you see this? What do you think is going to happen next? Do you have any ideas? Ready to find out? Sweep, sweep, dust and leaf, windows all aglow. One, two, just like that, a night lunch feast is waiting. And do you see all that food? It looks like a tea, doesn't it? One, two, just like that, a night lunch feast for two. Owl made him this huge feast. Mouse says thank you twice. Owl just nods and ruffles. Clip clop, the morning sun, the night lunch cart rolls on. And do you see what he left Mouse? He left him some leftovers. What did you think about this story? And some more beautiful end pages. What would you get from the night lunch cart? What did you think sounded really good? And if any of this seemed familiar, Eric Fan is half of the Fan brothers, and the Fan brothers wrote one of my favorite stories, The Night Gardener. So if you want to check this book out or come in and check out The Night Gardener, we'd love to share them with you. I will be back on Thursday with another brand new story. So until then, I hope everyone has a great couple days, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye for now.